guys, good morning, everybody. The news is in. According to a report in Atlanta, Georgia, the AJC, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, now giving word what the judge has decided. Apparently, Fani Willis can decide for her own if she wants to stay or leave the case and take Nathan Wade with her.
Breaking news in the Fani Willis case. It looks like the judge who used to work for her and donated to her campaign said that she can basically do whatever she wants. Welcome to Nerk News. I'm Nerkish. And it looks like Fani Willis has a really tough decision to make. Will she stay in a career-making case against a person she hates that's gotten her national attention and praise from the media, or will she remove herself from the case to be with her deadbeat divorced boyfriend? Decisions. I just don't know which one a corrupt egomaniac with a victim complex will choose. Here's Fox News with the latest.
And as for the case itself, Judge McAfee struck down 6 counts against former President Trump and 5 of his associates, saying the prosecution failed to provide enough details on how the defendants allegedly committed the crimes. Now, if Willis remains on this case, if she remains the chief prosecutor, she'll have to decide whether she appeals that decision on the 6 counts, whether she seeks a new indictment, or whether she goes ahead and prosecutes the case on the remaining 35 charges. But again, according to this reporting by the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, DA Fani Willis has a major decision to make.
Well, there you have it. Despite the testimony of her former friend and colleague basically admitting that Fani lied in court and the circus her and her boyfriend turned this whole thing into, Judge Scott McAfee still ruled in favor of Fani, probably out of his own political bias and fear of reprisal. So yet another case gets decided by the court of public opinion, which is a little shocking. I mean, who would have thought this guy would be a coward? Now, it's unclear when Fani has to make her decision by, but who really gives a crap? Because let's be honest, she's already made it. However, I'm sure there's a high possibility of her putting on a big spectacle of being deeply conflicted about what to do. You know, maybe we'll see some press conference of her exhausted and taking those black people headache pills, talking about how difficult it is to be a woman of color in America, torn between love and service to her country, before she ultimately decides to selflessly turn herself into a martyr to the adulation of Joy Reid and everyone in the mainstream media. I'm sure it'll be a sight to behold. But let me know what you think. Did you see this verdict coming? Is it fair or just the actions of a biased and cowardly judge? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That stuff really does help us out. Until then, this has been Nerk News. Thanks for watching. Bye!